Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Students, today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic, and that is definition of energy. In simple words, if you'll define, energy is defined as the capacity or the ability of a system to do work. So what is energy? The capacity of a body or the ability of a body to do work. For example, if I'll assume here, can you see that a person is walking and with the help of that the light bulb is glowed. So it means that when the body does work, his energy decreases. But in the meanwhile, when there is work done on a certain body, so the energy increases. If we'll observe, when there is work done, there is always transfer of energy. Means, in simple words, if I'll say that when the boy is doing a mechanical energy or mechanical work, that mechanical work is getting converted into electrical energy, and with the help of that the bulb glows. Law of conservation of energy is defined as that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. What? Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be converted from one form to another form. Just like in the example, we can observe.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.